Okay, the dogs just came in from the rain. And we're going to show you how they get dried off.
Wait a minute. Get over here.
Come on, Chester.
Come on, big girl. Goodness, good. Wait a minute. Give me Paul. Wait a minute. Give me
Come
Paul.
on, Chester. Get dried off.
Come on, Chester. You're next. Come on, Chester. Don't you act that way. You know how good you are. He don't want to do it. You're Cameron.
Chester.
Come on, Chester. You're next. Here he comes.
Come on.
Come on.
Good boy.
Give me Paul.
You got to do your paws before you get on the bed.
Give me Paul. Give me other Paul.
Other paw, Chester. Don't make Granny all bend all everywhere.
Okay.
Good boy.
Good boy.
Good boy, Chessie.
Good boy.
Good boy.
Girl.
Good girl. So I didn't have to have my paws to my, yeah, good boy.
Isn't that sweet,
Thank you, he's a good boy.
This is so sweet. This is your time.
Okay, there you go. Okay, yeah, I know you're all wet. And Daddy sees this, and we're going to have to wash the blanket now. Look at you.
Good boy. So I still let Granny do it.
Yeah, wipe it off his
Have you ever
face.
seen a dog that let a grandma wipe their feet off like that? No. Especially a big lab.
Can I see Paul? Chester, let me see Paul.
Show her how Granny dried your paw off.
Oh, goodness.
Clean.
Oh, look at there. No mud. Wow. Okay, y'all. Say bye. Say bye, Chester.
You clean your feet off.
There's old man.
We had to clean the feet.
Oh, you're on video and it's going on YouTube and you're going to stick your tongue out at people.
Look at that moon.
Ah!
I'll do it.
Ah! That's gross. Bye, y'all.